Hey guys, so I'm looking at our marketing class, and for our schedule, what is due today is everything through Unit 2. And this next week is you're doing 301, 302, and 303. The end of your 9 weeks is March 8th, which is Friday, so 2 weeks, 10 days. It's imperative that everything through 3.03 be done for your report card. And we need to kind of go back and reflect on how your grades are done and how they're weighted. The heaviest weighted grade is your big projects, and that's why I only give you one every 9 weeks. That's your serial project, and it's not that hard. The marketing plan was a template you had to fill out. Then you had to draw the box out for me. Some people made boxes. You can see a couple behind me that were sent to me through county mail. Some people just drew them and took pictures and uploaded them. And then the third part was the script for the commercial. That project is 30% of your grade. The next highest percentage is the discussions. And for whatever reason, a lot of y'all are skipping discussions. The discussions are how I know you're learning. The quizzes are assessments, but they're not the main form of assessments because you can retake those more than once to get a higher grade. So I look at the discussions more to see that you're picking up the information. So if you're skipping discussions, that's really going to hurt your grade. So I'm here to help you. A lot of you are trying to get caught up. Remember, you need to be through 3.03 by Monday, March 4th. So if you have questions, you've got the Remind app. You can email me. Some of you are inboxing me. I'm here to help you. I'm putting in the backslashes for you to show you, try and keep your actual grade as to what it is. I want to see those come up. I want to see them do better. I know you've got it in you. You've just got to get that time management better under control and get some of this stuff done. If you're not comfortable talking to me and you're behind, go talk to your principal or guidance counselor. They will contact me and help me help you. So either way, we've got to get you guys back on track and get you caught up. So let me know how I can help, and I hope you have a great week.